is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from the United States. This is Soupli chicken pho, pardon me, bowl with real meat and collagen. I tried the beef version earlier, which was 2 days ago for you. I just jump around the cosmos, bringing you instant noodle interesting things. But yeah, and it was freaking amazeballs. So now we're gonna do a chicken one, and chicken pho is, I don't know, it's I've never gone to a pho place around here and gotten chicken pho, because for me personally, pho is all about beef. Oh, we got a little kind of got stuck in there. All right, happens sometimes. Generally not a thing to be concerned about, but sometimes if you have multiple layers of packaging that's heat sealed, they will heat seal to each other. And now you know the rest of the story. But yeah, there's the noodle. God, I really gotta hurry. There's the noodle. I got the dry base right here. We got the veg herbs, as they call them. And then we have our big old retort pouch. Thank you to Soupli for doing what needed to be done. I've been raving for years since I first started finding retort pouches, especially in Taiwanese varieties, that why can't we have nice things, American instant noodle industry? Why can't we? Why? You start putting retort pouches with meat and vegetables in them, people are gonna give another look at the instant noodle. And what do you have in here? You've got chicken. But the thing is though, to get those varieties from overseas over here imported, you really can't. At least you're not supposed to. But yeah, there is meat. See the meat? Meat. And we're gonna put in some water. Now, slap it in the microwave. I'm gonna put it on a paper plate just to be safe. So it goes for 4 minutes. Let me do it at 80. And now, yeah. So I've been working really hard getting back to my whole diet and exercise regimen, and I started 2 weeks ago, and then I weighed in, not this Friday but the Friday before, and then I weighed in this Friday and I was down, what, 4.2 pounds. So it's working. I've been doing basically oatmeal for breakfast and all my vitamins, and then I do a Lunchable at lunch, and they had this sale on Progresso soup, and I use a can of Progresso soup, a half a cup of brown rice, 2 slices of Velveeta, and a serving of goldfish crackers. And for a snack in the afternoon when my wife gets home, I make popcorn and I dump a ton of seasonings on it, and that's it. And that keeps me around 12 to 1300 calories. Granted, it's Christmas time, so there's candy canes on the tree, and I can't resist those, but luckily those are only like 60 calories a piece. So that, coupled with the fact that I've been doing a ton of walking, I'm guessing that's what did it. I'm pretty jazzed. Oh my God, we're gonna cut it close. Is the alarm I have set saying, time to get your kid ready to school, dude. That'll be going off shortly. Comes with a spoon, and not a bad one either. And put together chopsticks. They look like this. They've got the little twisty wee on the hilt. They just snap together. And a napkin. So it's a really nice setup. It's very complete. It has everything you need. So yeah, things are going good in that respect, and it's funny, people still keep saying, wow man, you look so good compared to a couple of years ago, and I appreciate that, but I got down to 200, and then I got back up to like 240, and I was like, I don't want to do this anymore. No. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. I was gonna do another episode of the Ramen Raider diet, but yeah. I didn't really have time for that. That's all I want for Christmas is extra time. That's it. It's like my average day is like, God, they put out the top 10 spicy list recently. I got up at 2 in the morning and cranked that out, and that was done at, I think it was done ready to publish at 9. I think everything was done at 7. But then at 9, I gotta get him out to the bus. I gotta get them all ready. Gotta do their breakfast. Gotta do this. Gotta do that. And then I went and walked. I think I got 10 miles of walking in that day, if not more. And did shopping. Went down to the store and bought stuff. Took stuff to get shipped in the mail. And it's just, it never ends. I like that. I do like being busy. That's a fun thing for me. But it can just be like, do I have any more caffeine? No. Probably a good thing. Should be about done. You should be about done. You should. The last one I made, I didn't put warm enough water in there, and I think that was an issue. Well, let's see what we got. Did we explode? We did not. Oh, and it's freaking hot. Ooh. 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 Alright, let's see what we got here. Yeah, that definitely looks donerer. Give it a nice stir festival here. Oh, I got rid of the spoon. That was not what I should have done. Okay, let's try this noodle this time. Rice noodles in the microwave. I don't know that I've ever done rice noodle in the microwave before. Chicken. Much better. Much better. There's some of that beef or chicken. Let's see, I want to make sure you can see. So look at that. Pho broth and chicken. I have 6 minutes. It's nice. And I'm going to say right now, I've had a lot of different varieties of instant pho, especially ones from Vietnam, and I have never liked them. They always have like this underlying like boatload of MSG and just seem kind of funky. This is nice, as was the beef one. They're no-brainer 5 stars, and I know many of you that follow me will know that I don't like throwing out review numbers when I'm doing this show, but this is good. But you're gonna pay for it. I mean, it's expensive. I won't say ridiculously expensive. If everybody buys it, they can lower the price point. Because then the more you make, the cheaper it is. But yeah, this should be everywhere. This should be easily procured. Everybody should get to give this a go, I think. It's a wonderful product. Totally fully contained pho. I'm impressed. Just impressed. Yeah, how did I find out about this? I think their PR people got a hold of me. That's right. Very nice people. Thank you for reaching out, because I am. This is something, seeing retort pouches in the US, I've seen them before, but they've always been just like, oh God, what is that in there? And I don't know that they were even made here. I know there were a couple brands that were playing around with it a little bit, but they just weren't. The quality was just not there. Not. There's some basil. Be able to show off some of that broth. There's some basil, some flour top. Almost forgot this last time. Some lime. Oh, I can't forget this. Got some sriracha. And some hoisin. There you are, beautimous and wondrous chicken pho. I'm stoked. Good job. Good job.
Drop off, Miles. It's 8:45 a.m.
Well, you heard that. It's time for me to get my boy ready for school. Thank you for watching. And dude, go to, I think it's souply.com. SOUPPLY.com. Yeah, check that out. Go look them up. Totally. You'd dig that. You'd love it. You'll love it. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.